When the Gladiator finally became a reality, the calls to TeraFlex immediately started rolling in, and the common theme was, "Can you ship me a lift today?" Recognizing the fact that Jeepers are not the most patient lot, TeraFlex's engineering team already had a running start on some JT products. The wait is over. TeraFlex is releasing everything from our very clean leveling kit all the way up to our full 8-arm Alpine RT suspension complete with track bar, speed bumps, and our new IR or independent rotation bushings. We also have the Falcon Shocks all tuned up and ready to transform your Gladiator into a trail gobbling machine. Your TeraFlex Gladiator transformation is going to be a real crowd pleaser, but they don't know the half of it. The real joy is happening behind the wheel.